Okay, I put enough keycaps on here to do a sound test of the Riskeyboard 70. I haven't got any stabs yet, so these, some keys are like this. This is the enter key. It's super wobbly. The space keys also super wobbly. Hopefully my phone won't vibrate too much while I'm typing, but the idea is a sound test. It's a terrible sound test too because my printer's printing in the background. But hopefully you'll be able to hear what the Riskeyboard 70 sounds like. And for reference, I've got the 2 TPU feet on there. Well, let's give this a try. Hopefully it will sound okay. Here we go. Oh, these space keys without stabs is really killing me. Alright, that should be good enough. And every one of these keystrokes worked, but I really had a hard time with the backspace key not being stabilized because I'm used to hitting it in the far corner. Let me show you what the setup is here. I kept hitting it like here, and it wasn't registering quite a lot of the time. So this is a test of the emergency keyboard system, and this is me getting frustrated. But you can see that the keyboard works. Where is it? There we go. And these switches aren't broken in yet. Especially the A and the S are a little bindy for some reason. But whatever, I've got extras. I'll just pop them out, pop new ones in if I can't figure out what's wrong with them. Yeah, like this one. You hear that? It's kind of bindy. Either it needs to be broken in or there's something wrong with the stem. I just gotta sand it. And these keycaps are not the greatest. Oh, look at the space. Without stabs, I'm in trouble. But yeah, I'll print out the stabs tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have a full set of keys. And I do plan on having better keycaps than these. These are just temporary jobbies. Hopefully the sound is good enough for most folks. Oh, I just realized I had the zoom on. There we go. And these are not lubed or anything. It really works.